Hey everybody, Gary Fernan here for PHOTORECEPTORCELL. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to create dynamic movement in Photoshop. So when we're creating dynamic movement, the easiest way to do it is to do it in camera. However, if you don't do it in camera, you get your shots back on the computer, back at home or back at your office, wherever it is you do your post processing, and you think this shot would look good with some dynamic movement. I'm going to show you a very easy way in which to create that illusion. So the photo that I have for this this guide, I've taken from Shutterstock. If we look here at the top left hand corner, that is the reference of this photograph, should you wish to download it yourself and try using this photograph, or just use one of your own. So we'll start off with right clicking on our background layer and converting that to a smart object. Once we've done that, come up to filter, find blur gallery and select path blur. Now you can create your own paths by using the cursor and dragging it, but if I just let this do its thing, it actually produces quite a good path, so I don't need to go in and adapt it. I'm just going to use the default that Photoshop selects for me. Once that's updated and has applied the effect, come on across to the speed slider, and as you can see there, you can control the overall blur by adjusting the speed. So the higher we go, the faster it looks. So I'm going to take that down. I'm going to choose a speed of 25. When you're happy with that, wait for it to update and do its thing. Once that's updated, if you're happy, we're going to select OK. Now if we look at our layers panel, we see here that our smart object layer also has smart filters and a blur gallery added to it. We're going to select the smart filters element. Once we've selected our smart filters aspect of our layer, hit B on your keyboard to bring up the brush tool, increase or decrease the size of your brush, and we're just going to paint away the areas of the photo that we want to bring back into focus. So I'm trying to do this really quickly, not being too careful around the edges, and then the closer I get to the model there, I'm going to come in tighter, reduce the size of my brush, and I'm going to be a lot more careful. I want to give the illusion that she's moved from sort of here and slid across to where she's at the moment, and we do that by taking away the front edge of the blur. So there we go, guys. Look, I'm going to stop it there. I could spend a lot longer just fiddling around and messing about with the motion of and around the hands. Just there for now, I would probably work a little bit longer on it. So guys, look, don't forget, like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and do leave me a comment below. I would love to know your thoughts on whether or not you've used this technique before, and how you found it, or if you've give it a go, come back, leave a comment, let me know how you got on. So guys, take care, and I shall speak to you next time.